Hey guys, this video is for those people wondering how to cancel an order on StockX. And now you can actually cancel a StockX order only if you're the seller and if you have not yet shipped the item. But if you're a buyer, for buyers it's different because cancellations are not allowed once a bid has been accepted. Because StockX has an automated system that processes the order immediately. So if you're a buyer and you still need to cancel, you can try contacting StockX. This is their customer support, okay? And this is not guaranteed. You may be subject to a penalty as well. What you can do is you can go ahead and ask the seller as well if they can go ahead and cancel. So if the seller accepts it, then it is possible. Okay, you can just come here, contact them with their live chat. Okay, you can click here to contact them as well via the live chat. Right? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.